about tie and dye from the subject called creative arts. Today we did a practical when we dye the fabric. After boiling the water, we took 7 spoons of dye. Then after that, we used 2 chemicals called hydros and soda. The hydros we took 10 spoons, and then the soda we took 5 spoons. Then after, we started taking the fabrics and we started tying them in order to give it a nice design. We started dipping them inside the dye. We poured boiling water inside the hydros, the soda, and then the dye.
I'm in basic 16. Sir Eric has brought us and 6L out here to do tie and dye. It was really fun because we learned how to make patterns with dye. It helps us because with the knowledge I know from this tie and dye, now I can get my socks, my shorts, my shirts, and dye them into any pattern that I want to.
People wouldn't be lazy to just pay other people. Once they have the knowledge of doing it, they could do it anytime. And then they can also gain income from it. Once you do this, then you can go and sell it to 1 or 2 people. Then you gain income. And then you can also get your own t-shirt, sneakers, or any other dress from this. Just give it to a tailor, then you just sew it for you. Or you can even sew it yourself. So that is how it could give impact to you in the future.
Okay, now we are going to do that of the batik, all right? And like I already told you, what we have here is the wax, all right? Now we've changed it from the solid state to the liquid state. Please don't mistakenly take this to be what? Oil. It's not oil, this is wax, all right? Now we are going to use the stamps over here. So the patterns that we have here, the design patterns that we have here, okay, we are going to just put this in the wax, then we stamp it throughout the on the fabric. Okay, now the design and everything, or how the pattern is going to be, you have to create it. Okay, you can choose more than 1 stamp, okay, either 2, 3, depending on how you want your design to be. Yes.